Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a affordable makeup tutorial. So yesterday I went to Ulta and I saw that a lot of new brands came into the store, which I'm really excited for. There's a lot of new products that I'm going to be trying out today, but there's a few that I've already tried before, so you guys are gonna see that along the video. So I'm going to start off with priming my face, and for primer today I picked up the MILANI Prime Shield face primer and it's mattifying. Okay, so I can definitely tell that my face is blurring out when I apply this onto my skin. It feels really nice. Okay, so moving on to foundation. I already tried this out previously. The foundation I'm using today is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I did get a new shade because I felt like the one that I had previously is a little bit too dark for my skin. Probably like a shade darker than my skin, which isn't too bad because I kind of toned it down with the concealer, but I wanted to see if this one would match to my skin perfectly. So the shade I'm using is 220. And I'm going to be using my MORPHE beauty sponge. Okay, and then now for concealer, I feel like this is everyone's all-time favorite. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in medium. Damn, this concealer is so bomb. I honestly don't know why I stopped wearing it. It blends out so beautifully. So for brows today, I'm like really excited for this part because I picked up two products that I've never used before, and when I saw it, I was super intrigued. So I picked up the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in dark brown. And it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. And then I picked up the MILANI pencil in dark brown. And I love that it brought a brush on the other side. So it's like a duo, which is really cool. I like to first go in with the pencil and then with the pomade right after. So I'm just going to shape my brows. Wow, okay, so this pencil is super pigmented. When I usually use my Anastasia brow pencil, it never comes out this pigmented. It usually is super light. Okay, so the pomade isn't as like pigmented as I was hoping it would be. I would definitely recommend the brow pencil instead of this pomade. I mean, I know it's not gonna be like the Anastasia one, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more pigmented. So I definitely would recommend you guys purchasing this pencil. It is so good for being, hold on, I have the receipt in here. So that MILANI pencil was $5.99. Now that is definitely worth like buying. You guys need to try this pencil out. It's so nice. It's so pigmented. It is more pigmented than the actual Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to be setting my under eyes using the MILANI transparent face powder. Now I am actually a little terrified using this just because I'm scared that I'm gonna get tons of flashback, and I'm gonna test it out for you guys, of course. Like, I'm gonna post a picture. I'm going to be setting the rest of my face using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Setting Powder. I know in my latest videos I've been using the MAC Studio Fix Powder, but before that I would always use this because I truly believed in this powder. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Concealer as my primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow today I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this one is called Reloaded Iconic Neutrals number 2. And look how pretty all of these shades are. I'm extremely excited for this palette, and hopefully the pigmentation is nice and I didn't waste my $7. Let's start off with this color right here because it's literally screaming at me. As I'm like blending it out a little bit more, the pigmentation tends to like fade away a little bit, so I feel like I'm gonna have to pack on this eyeshadow a little bit more. This setting powder so far is not my favorite. It is creasing. It's making my concealer crease a whole lot. I'm going to be applying this shade right here. Okay, so this shade is actually giving me a little bit of a hard time blending it out. Like when I apply it first, it's like a burgundy. And then when I keep on blending it, it like turns into like this dark purple, which is really weird. It's like right here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like making like this dark purple in this area. Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It is shimmery. I'm definitely gonna be spraying Fix Plus on it because I don't have any drugstore setting spray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this pink shade like right in the middle of my lid. And then also inside the palette, it has like a lighter pink. So I'm gonna apply that lighter pink right here in the inner corner. Good. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm going to be using Cocoa Lashes in Stella. I know you can't find these like at Ulta or Sephora or CVS or Walgreens, but these are affordable. They are $6.99, I believe, on their website. I actually forgot. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild liquid liner. I'm going to be using my NYC Bronzer in Sunny. This is the Makeup Revolution matte blush, and this blush is in Fusion, and I love blushes, so I'm really excited to be trying out this one today. Hopefully it reminds me of Peaches by MAC because it's so pretty and peachy and pink. Wow, that's applying way too much. Okay, so you want to be very light-handed when applying this product. I saw that they had the ColourPop highlighter in Wisp. I'm just going to apply this highlighter with my finger. To add a little bit more highlighter, I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. This highlighter is so pretty. Definitely one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. Like, oh my god, that is so pretty. I actually didn't get any lip color, which I should have. I'm just gonna apply some of my e.l.f. lip plumper because it's so pretty, and I always do a matte lip, so for today we're gonna just do a glossy lip. So yeah guys, that is basically it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I had a great time experimenting with makeup that I've never tried before. The blush, oh, it's so beautiful. I would definitely be using this again. The foundation is great, you guys know. The setting powder, I can really pass on the setting powder. It really didn't set my concealer nicely. My concealer throughout the video was creasing. The brow pencil was amazing. Like, I would definitely recommend this pencil. It's great if you guys are looking for a brow product, especially on the more affordable side. Guys, that is basically it. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and please let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.